Hello, hello. Kim Goulton with Creating Legacy Wellness here. I'm excited to be demonstrating a fall vegetable soup that you can make in your Instant Pot from start to finish in less than 30 minutes. I know you guys are super busy and looking for fun, healthy, nourishing meals that are still yummy without taking a lot of time. So it took me less than 10 minutes to do the chopping. We're going to do about 5 minutes sautéing, and then we will put the rest of the ingredients in here on the pressure cook. So this is all we do. When you've got your Instant Pot out, you want to make sure you hit the sauté feature. And for the sauté feature, we're just going to do this for 5 minutes. But I'm going to go ahead and add in my garlic and a little bit of onion. It's actually 4 cloves of garlic and 1 red onion. Now, I don't use oil for cooking. I'm going to just go ahead and use a little bit of my vegetable broth as a oil replacement. And we're just going to saute this for 5 minutes. You're basically waiting for the garlic and the onions to become translucent. And then we're going to add in everything else. Stay tuned. Alrighty, we are back. It has been 5 minutes. So we are going to add the rest of the ingredients. And I'm going to start off with the vegetable broth, just to make sure it doesn't get too dry in there. That was 4 cups of vegetable broth, low sodium. Then I have 1 bell pepper. I actually had little peppers, so I didn't have 1 whole bell pepper, but this would be the equivalent. So your choice if you want to do yellow, red, or green. And I've got 2 cups of cauliflower. 1 medium-sized zucchini. You'll notice I leave the skins on all the vegetables. They're just so nutrient dense. Why take that off, right? This was 1 medium-sized sweet potato. 1 15-ounce can of kidney beans. And if they're not your favorite beans, then just use a different one. And same thing with any of the vegetables. You really can pick and choose what ones you want. That's going to work best for you. This was 2 carrots. I'm just going to stir that up a little bit real quick before we add everything else. 2 celery stalks. Oh, I just love the colors. I've got the rainbow, the veggies in here. Let me show you before we finish. Let's see. Can you see that? Oh my gosh, look at all the colors in there. It's amazing. Okay, and then I've got 2 cups of kale chopped. We're going to add that. And of course, if you're not a fan of kale, you could always use spinach or even cabbage. You really have a lot of flexibility for how you could, interchange. And then last but not least, I've got diced tomatoes. This is a 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes that we're going to go ahead and pour in there. I kept the juices because I think this is going to be just great with all the extra liquids. And don't worry if it doesn't seem like enough liquid. You're going to have plenty because your vegetables are going to cook down. So I just want to stir this up a little bit. Just a little bit, right? And this is a lot of soup I'm making. And the nice thing is this soup you can freeze. Okay, so let's give you just a little bit of a picture there of what that looks like. Oh, the colors. They're fantastic. Now I'm going to put my Instant Pot lid on. got it closed and locked. This is my little thing here for the vent. I'm going to make sure that is closed. Now I'm going to just put this on manual because I want this to be on 15 minutes. So I'm just going to lower it to 15 minutes. And then my soup is done. And in the meantime, I could be doing other things. I could be cleaning up, getting the table set, whatever it is you're doing to prepare. This is such an easy meal to make while multitasking and doing other things. Or maybe you just want to sit down for 10 minutes and you have a chance to just sit down and relax for a little bit. So we're going to come right back after this is ready. See you soon. Alrighty, well, it has been 15 minutes, so here we are. Now, if you don't have a lot of experience using an Instant Pot, I just want to be mindful that you always keep your face away, right? This is a pressure cooker, so it's super duper hot, and people have been known to get burned by them in the past, so you want to be careful. I do have my venting little gadget up here. I don't know if you can kind of see that. Let's see if you can see that right here. So I'm going to go ahead and vent it now, and I always use a pot holder, but you could also use a bar towel, and going to make sure I'm not in the direction of that, right? And you'll hear it makes that wonderful little sauna sound, right? But you do want to make sure not near your face. And you want that to just completely air out. Once all the steam is out, now we can go ahead and open the lid. But again, you still want to make sure, be careful of any, exposed skin on your hands, and of course keep your face away, just in case there's some additional steam that's trapped to prevent any kind of burns. But this is the exciting part, right? We've been waiting for this. So here we go, and I like to use my towel. Just there we go. And oh, I wish you guys could smell this right now. I know we've come such a long way with technology. I feel like technology, you should be able to already smell the fragrance. Oh, but this is amazing. So here you spent 10 minutes chopping vegetables, 5 minutes sautéing the garlic and the onions. Then you added all of the other ingredients. And of course, if there's other, spices or herbs you wanted to add, like oregano, thyme, basil, those are always really good ones to add depending upon each person's palate. Oh, this is so amazing. And this is very inexpensive. Let me just see if you guys can see this in my trusty little mirror there, how beautiful all the colors of the rainbow are that you're getting in this soup. Okay, so let's, we're going to see what this looks like, right? Let's see, look how beautiful that is. And again, this is one that you can serve, of course, with, French bread. It could be a side on a meal. It could be your whole meal. You can easily put this into the freezer. Throw a little, parsley on top. And you have your beautiful, healthy dinner all ready to go. And it took you less than 30 minutes to prepare it, and you were even having a 10-minute relaxation break. So let me know if you have any questions. Let me know what kinds of recipes you would really like to see, and let me know how it goes for you. Thank you so much for watching, and feel free to comment below. Have a great day. Bye-bye.